Okay, kids, so you know technology is not my thing. I was halfway recording what I needed to do, and then my dad called in. So I don't know how to add on a video, so I'm going to redo it over, okay? So we're trying to multiply special cases. So the first special cases we're talking about is if I have a good twin times a bad twin. So as you can see here, the two parentheses look exactly the same except one is plus and the other one is minus. So we are going to try to multiply them just like we did yesterday by using the FOI method, the box method, or the distributive method, okay? So if you look at it, FOI stand for first. So the 2x times the 2x, which is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 for my outer, which is negative 6. 3x times 2x is positive 6. And then the last term is 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. The thing that's special about this is, as you can see, because I have a good twin and a bad twin, my middle terms end up to be canceling out. I have a negative 6 and a positive 6x. Therefore, the x term just disappears. So the answer would just be 4x squared minus 9. So good twin, bad twin. When we multiply it, the middle term cancels out, and I'll just have 4x squared minus 9. And as you can see here, I use the box method. The answer shouldn't change. I used the distributive method, and it did not change either, okay? Now, the second special case is, what if I have a binomial that has that little square on top? So whether it's a binomial or a trinomials, it makes no difference. That square indicate that there are two of the same things being multiplied. So like before, you know, x squared represent x times x. So if I have 5x plus 1 squared, that represent 5x plus 1 times another 5x plus 1. So if this is a 3, for example, then there were 3 of it. That's the only difference, okay? So now that I have it written out like this, you could go back to yesterday's lesson and either do the FOI method, the box method, or the distributive method to get your answers. So if you do the FOI method, I'm just going to review yesterday's lesson. If you didn't really get the gist, I will do first. So that's the 5x times the 5x. 5 times 5 is 25. X times x is x squared. Outer, 5x times 1, that's 5x, because 5 times 1 is 5. You just carry the x. Inner, 1 times 5x, again, is 5x. And 1 times 1, which is my last term, is 1. So then you will have a 25x squared plus the 10x plus 1. So this is another way. This is a perfect square trinomials, because this is a perfect square of 5x plus 1 square. Okay, so this is another name for the answer for this. This is a perfect square trinomials. You can use the box method and the answer should not change. And you can also use the distributive method and the answer should not change. After you have done or view or take notes on this lesson, there is a worksheet attached to it. Please try to practice it. Contact me by email, the discussion board on Canvas, or reply to my Remind 101. If you download the Remind 101 app, you can message me directly, and I will answer your questions, okay? All right, thank you. Hope to see you soon.